Hello dear Inclumineers, let's see what we have in this pack today. This is our puzzle card. And let's see, we are still looking and hunting for the iconics. We start with Casa Madrigal, Casita, 1 ink, inkable, amethyst location with 1 attack and 6 defense. Into Lost in the Woods, 4 ink, inkable, amber action song. Into Powerline, Taking the Stage, 2 ink, inkable ruby card with 3 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore and singer 4. Into Enchantress, Unexpected Judge, 2 ink, inkable emerald card with 1 attack, 1 defense, 2 lore. Into Jafar, Royal Vizier, 2 ink, inkable steel card with 3 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore. Into Coconut Basket, 2 ink, inkable sapphire item. Into Bobby Zimurski, Spray Cheese Kid, 1 ink, inkable emerald card with 1 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore. Into Aurelian Gyro Sensor, 2 ink, inkable sapphire item. Into Queen of Hearts, Sensing Weakness, 5 ink, inkable ruby card with 4 attack, 3 defense, 1 lore and shift 2. Into our first rare, Rafiki, Mystical Fighter, 1 ink, inkable amethyst card with 0 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore and challenger +3 mechanic, which means that while challenging, this character gets +3 attack. Into Shere Khan, well, this is from a lot of animal movies. Menacing Predator, 3 attack, 3 ink, inkable ruby card, which was not wrong because he's with 3 attack, 3 defense and 1 lore. Into Bee King Undisputed, 4 ink, uninkable ruby action song. This was for the pack today, guys. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, share the video, write a comment because this helps for the optimization. But most important, subscribe and hit the notifications bell. See you in the next one, Inclumineers.